Welcome to a boat in the boatyard for preparation to be sent north to New York City. One of the projects that we've been assigned is to check the sump pump, make sure that it will pump out all the water that's collected from the shower, from the galley sink, and from the two air conditioners. In fact, you might hear the buzz of the air conditioner in the background. And you can see the controller over there. It's 83 degrees inside the cabin in Florida at 12 noon. So believe me, it's working. The things to point out here are the different hoses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different hoses that come in here. One is from the shower. 2 are from the condensate drip pins on the air conditioners. Third one is from the galley sink, and I haven't figured out what the 5th one is for, but I'll figure it out. You can see this hose here is an aftermarket addition, and looking there you can see the strainer for the air conditioner water pump, and then you can see the water pump back here for the air conditioners. Most important is this valve that I'm banging a flashlight on. See that valve? That's called a burp valve. So if you are using the boat in rough water and the air conditioner water pump sucks up air, you'll be able to burp the air out. Regardless, all of the different domestic waters will drain into this black box, and you can see this piece with my finger on it is the water level float sensor that will turn on a pump that's actually in the engine room that will pump the water out of that black standpipe. So that's the pickup point for the bilge pump to pump the water out of here and send it overboard. So this is a typical shower sump, also used for air conditioner condensate drips. So we've got to clean the funk out of it, maybe put a little bilge soap in it, and also put some vinegar to clean it a little bit more. Vinegar's an acid, keep that in mind. And then the boat will be ready to go. If you've got any questions about shower sumps, toilets, or domestic drinking water, ask Captain Chris.